Hey, it's Pat from Velocity. We're up here at our Newcastle showroom, mid-build. This showroom to us is extremely important because we have a lot of customer base out here and we want to be able to make it easier for them to get to see the Velocity product. Right now we've got a stud frame up, and we're putting in our Iconic and our Compass lift into here. So we're getting really excited about it. We're pretty close to finishing her up and getting some cladding on it, and we'd be keen for you guys to come down and have a visit. With a really limited space to work here in the HIA Centre, our exhibit has a really small footprint, and some of the smart things that we've had to do here is really maximise the floor space by putting in a mezzanine structure. And so for us to be able to showcase our product better, we've gone with this construction method. We're excited to open up here at the HIA Centre in Newcastle, and we're excited to have you visit our showroom and visit our lifts and experience them.